Headspace is one of the most popular platforms for guided meditation and mindfulness, promising a stress-free life with improved focus and better sleep. Right from the homepage, you're greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface that invites you to either sign up or log in. They offer a free trial, which is an excellent way for newcomers to explore its features without any commitment. Once logged in, you're introduced to a well-organized dashboard. The top navigation bar directs you to various sections, like meditation courses, sleep tools, and focus music. Headspace's key strength lies in its diverse meditation library. From beginner courses teaching the basics of mindfulness to advanced sessions on managing anxiety and stress, there's something for everyone. The guided meditations are led by professional instructors, offering clear, soothing instructions. One unique feature is the Sleepcasts, audio tracks combining storytelling with calming soundscapes. These are specifically designed to help you wind down before bedtime, and have gained quite a reputation among users for their effectiveness. The Focus Music section is another standout feature. It provides curated playlists and tracks designed to enhance concentration, whether you're studying, working, or just need a productivity boost. All the tracks are crafted in collaboration with acclaimed musicians and mindfulness experts. The app doesn't stop there. It includes mindfulness exercises for kids, which is a thoughtful touch for families looking to build healthy habits together. For busy professionals, there are bite-sized meditations, allowing you to squeeze in moments of calm during a hectic schedule. However, it's not all perfect. The subscription model might be a hurdle for some, with a monthly or annual fee required to unlock the full library. While the content is high quality, some users might feel that similar resources are available elsewhere for free. Still, the convenience and structure Headspace offers are hard to match. If you're new to meditation or looking to deepen your mindfulness practice, the app does an excellent job of providing structured guidance and a variety of tools tailored to specific needs. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like if you found it helpful.